They?
What are you doing?
We're just playing some games and kind of celebrating Eric's birthday a little bit.
Yeah.
What time is it?
1:18 and 16, 17 seconds, 18 seconds.
You're not drunk?
No.
You sure?
Prove it. Stand on one foot.
Was that better than the first?
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
She's tough.
Oh my god. Help her up.
I got
What you got to say about that?
You guys made me fall. I mean, you guys pushed me over on that one.
Yeah, Brad shouldn't have pushed you. That was really rude of him.
My bad.
How could you?
My God, guys.
Don't forget your Jimmy John in the hall.
I'm like tearing up.
That was awesome.
Be careful, don't fan yourself over.
Try that again.
No, I'm.
Try your other foot. Your other foot's so much more sturdy.
No, I'm not gonna fall off that. Hold on.
No.
Try the other foot.
See, I'm good now.
Lindsay, are you okay? She's okay.
The door's not sturdy.
I told you that one was sturdy.
You gotta break the door. Next time, don't hold on to the door.
You're struggling. I'm gonna help you up.
The door's not holding me up. The door is sturdy.
She's slipping. Watch out for the fan.
Man.
Sit down.